Assessing the impact on learners. Welcome participants to Part 3 of Module 3, Impact Assessment. In this module, we will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how to assess the impact of your project on learners. There are 4 main learning objectives in this part of the module. 1. Explaining who are the learners in a project. 2. Defining key tools used to assess the impact on learners. 3. Explaining how these tools can be used to assess the impact of your project. And 4. Providing examples to clarify the meanings of these terms. Who are the learners in a project? The learners in a project can be any group of people who benefit from your project, often by obtaining a new type of knowledge, a new set of skills, adopting a new attitude, or learning different behaviors. Learners are often the target group of Erasmus Plus projects, but can be different types of groups, such as children, youth, teachers, instructors, and so on and so on. The Impact Plus tool. The first cube of the Impact Plus tool is learners, as you can see on the screen. When focusing on the learners cube of the tool, we follow the 3 stages to fill it out. We will explore the outcomes in the next couple of slides and add to them by identifying both indicators, baselines, and targets. The collection of data will be explored in Part 7 of this module. Outcomes for learners. We start with the first stage of the Impact Plus tool and look at some of the outcomes that are potential for learners. These outcomes would focus on how they could benefit from the project to increase their skills or abilities to perform either one or multiple tasks. Examples of different outcomes for learners could be to increase long-term learning opportunities for children, to improve the teacher's abilities to develop course material or to teach, or to diversify the technical abilities of different types of instructors. Indicators for learners. Indicators for learners are quantifiable measures which can indicate if the project is progressing as planned. Examples of these indicators could be to improve the test scores of the children, to add certificates of accredited qualifications to the teachers, to provide different types of courses that would up their skill sets, or to improve satisfaction with the current project or program, which could be measured through either surveys or perhaps interviews. Baselines for learners. The baselines of these indicators for learners are the current performance level of the chosen indicators where the progress of the project can be measured against. Examples of baselines could be the current test scores of students. It could be the current number of learners with accredited qualifications or different types of courses, or it could be the current level of satisfaction with the project or program. Targets for learners. Targets for learners are the specific aspects which the project aims to improve during its implementation phase. Examples of these targets for learners could be to increase the test scores of students by about 50%. It could be to increase the number of learners or students with accredited courses by 50 people, or to increase the level of satisfaction with the project or program to above average. Impacts on learners. After using the above terms to detail the different outcomes for learners, they can be evaluated through stage 2 of the Impact Plus tool. By additionally using the terms that we explained before as a supplement to the terms within the Impact Plus tool, it will be easier for you to understand the details of your project. Using the additional terms, it will also make it easier to evaluate and rank the different outcomes within the cube itself. Hereafter, the entire cube of learners is ranked in comparison to the other three using the 1 to 5 scale from low to high impact. In other words, the outcomes in the cube itself are first evaluated, and after that, the entire cube is ranked and compared against the three other cubes in the Impact Plus tool to determine which cube is most important and will have the highest impact.